Welcome back to our channel, where we explore practical mental models for personal growth and critical thinking. In today's video, we'll be diving into the intriguing concept of the red team, blue team mental model. So, let's get started. The red team, blue team mental model is a technique used to enhance decision-making and problem-solving. It involves forming two distinct groups: the red team, which challenges and critiques ideas, and the blue team, which defends and refines those ideas. This approach promotes critical thinking, constructive debate, and thorough analysis of different perspectives. Now, let's explore two examples of how you can apply the red team, blue team model to your daily life. Example 1. Buying a new car. Imagine you're considering buying a new car. Let's apply the red team, blue team approach to evaluate your options. Teams and process. 1. Form the red team, consisting of individuals who will challenge the car options. 2. Invite friends or family members who are knowledgeable about cars but have differing opinions. 3. Form the blue team, consisting of individuals who will defend and refine the car options. 4. Invite friends or family members who are supportive but also have critical thinking skills. 5. Have the red team analyze potential drawbacks, such as maintenance costs, fuel efficiency, or resale value. 6. Have the blue team analyze positive aspects, such as safety features, reliability, or performance. 7. Engage in constructive debates, sharing insights and concerns, and gather collective wisdom. 8. Evaluate the feedback from both teams and make an informed decision. By implementing the red team, blue team approach, you can gain a well-rounded perspective on your car options, allowing you to make a more informed and optimal choice. Example 2. Planning a project. The red team, blue team model can also be applied when planning and executing projects. Let's explore this example. Teams and process. 1. Form the red team, consisting of individuals who will challenge the project plan. 2. Include colleagues or friends who can provide critical feedback and identify potential risks. 3. Form the blue team, consisting of individuals who will defend and refine the project plan. 4. Include team members or supporters who are well-versed in the project's objectives. 5. The red team analyzes weaknesses, potential roadblocks, and alternative approaches. 6. The blue team defends the project plan, refines strategies, and identifies strengths. 7. Engage in constructive discussions, gathering insights from both teams. 8. Combine the feedback, refine the project plan, and mitigate potential risks. By employing the red team, blue team approach in project planning, you can benefit from diverse perspectives, anticipate challenges, and enhance the overall effectiveness of your projects. Now that we've explored some examples, let's discuss how you can use the red team, blue team model for personal excellence. 1. Seek out diverse perspectives by forming your own red team and blue team for personal decision-making. 2. Challenge your own ideas and assumptions, acting as your own red team to uncover potential flaws. 3. Engage in constructive debates, seeking input from trusted individuals who can provide critical feedback. 4. Balance critique and defense, refining your ideas and strategies based on the insights received. 5. Apply the lessons learned from the red team, blue team process to continuously improve your decision-making and problem-solving skills. And that concludes today's video on the powerful red team, blue team mental model. Remember, embracing constructive criticism and diverse perspectives can lead to better decision-making and personal growth. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical strategies for personal excellence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.